My name is Paul Sagan. I'm the business manager at Ed Cohen Chevrolet in Rockford, Michigan. I wanted to take a couple quick minutes and explain to you our micro-repel antibacterial product and our very unique two-step fogging application. We're currently offering this product as a standalone protection option for $199. That includes a new cabin air filter and a 1-year warranty for protection of your interior upholstery. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and hand these products over to Sam, and he's going to show you our very unique two-step fogging process. So we literally have two products for our interior protection. We have Part A, which is our micro-repel antibacterial and germ repellent, and we have Part B, which is a sealant and Scotchgard-like product. We start by placing Part A into the fogger. The vehicle and its ventilation system is turned on, all doors and windows shut. Our tech then starts at one door, opening it up and fogging the area for 12 to 15 seconds. He then closes that door and moves to the next until the entire cabin and cargo areas are thoroughly fogged. The vehicle is shut off and Part A is left to settle and dry. The excess Part A liquid is safely discarded in our drain system as it is EPA approved, environmentally safe, and biodegradable. Part B is then placed in the fogger and the fogging steps are repeated. The settling and drying period for Part B allows it to permanently seal in the micro-repel along with offering stain and odor protection. Now your entire cabin and cargo areas along with your ventilation system have not only been disinfected, but 99.9% of all bacteria and germs are killed immediately. This is great not only for obvious reasons, but if you or any of your family that are often in your vehicle have underlying health issues or chronic illness that make you or them vulnerable to germs and bacteria, this can be a crucial component in maintaining a clean environment for all. So give us a call to set up an appointment today, or we are offering free pickup and delivery through our service department. We look forward to hearing from you, and be safe.